Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix no sound during calls on your VIVO iQOO Neo 7. So first, when you're in a call, make sure to check the volume using the side buttons right here. So make sure that your volume is high. Now what you guys can also do is disable the Bluetooth to rule out any connected devices. So it might be your core system, it might be your headphones or anything else like another device. So make sure that the Bluetooth is disabled, and after that you guys can clean the earpiece with a soft cloth. So here we will have the earpiece. Now we can basically clean it with a soft brush, don't use anything metallic, and after that you guys can test it with another call or an app, so for example WhatsApp or Viber. And if that didn't work, then what you guys can do is restart the phone. So hold the power button, now keep on holding it. And if you hold it for quite some time, then you guys will be able to see it, as you guys can see. Now let's go over and swipe to restart the device, and now all we gotta do is wait for it to turn back on, so I'll see you guys then. So now after the restart, what you guys can do is reset the phone or check for software updates. So let me unlock my device. Now here let's go to settings and scroll down until you guys see system management and upgrade. Now here what we can do first is check for software update if we're running the latest version. And if we do, then what we can do is go over to reset, and here we can reset the network settings. So do not erase all data, only reset the network settings. Click on reset settings, enter the password, and it should be all good after you click reset settings. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.